My name is Andy Smith, and I am a partner at Cornerstone Wealth Group. We've had a relationship with Jim Riggins and Technocom Business Solutions for over a decade, and I would say what sets them apart is their dedication to service, quality, and their loyalty to their customers.
The things that stood out to us about Technocom were the broad range of products that were offered and the detail of which you focused on every one of those things and how you wanted to tailor it to our business and what our needs were.
Technocom seems to understand us as a nonprofit agency. They have been very supportive of what we do, and just everyone here is so wonderful to work with, from the owner of the company all the way down to the person who takes our supply order. It's just been a great experience.
The personalization, as far as my rep contacting me, I don't have to contact her. She contacts me on a regular basis and says, how are things going? Is there anything you need? I texted her last night at 10:30 at night about something, and I got a response.
The people made all the difference. We really liked the people at Technocom and how they made us feel and how they wanted to be part of our family and meet our needs. And when Tracy from Technocom came in, she automatically made us feel like she wanted us to be part of her family, and just that extra special attention to detail, and she really listened to our needs.
Before Technocom, we were in the Stone Age, so they brought us into the modern times. Not only are they cutting edge, they are more proactive than reactive when you have a problem. This is going to sound hokey, but Technocom is like family. They really are. They are more than just a provider of services and products and supplies.